Know how to merge and exit safely on a roundabout. We have many kinds of roundabout with different merging and exit point that it is sometimes a little bit confusing. Today I want to share with you the basic knowledge of how to safely merge and exit on the roundabout. We will discuss three major components to be a safe driver on the roundabout. First, how to choose your lane. Second, how to check your surroundings. And third, how to merge and exit safely. How to choose your lane. First, determine where are the locations of the lane you were going to exit, then locate which lane you should be merging and which lane you should be exiting on a roundabout safely. To do this, while approaching on the roundabout, check first the road direction markings. You will see that the road marking arrows are pointing you on the three different directions, which is going right, straight and left. If the merging roads have 3 lanes and the exit points only have 2 lanes, then you can go right only by using a slip road. Then you can go straight using the third lane and the middle lane. You can go left using the middle lane and the first lane. U-turn will be on the first lane only. If you use the third lane for merging, you should automatically go straight and exit on the second lane of the roundabout. If you use the middle lane for merging, you have an option to go straight or to go left, and your exit point will be on the first lane of the roundabout. If you use the first lane, then you have an option to go left or to make a U-turn, and your exit point will be on the first lane of the roundabout. If the merging roads have 2 lanes and exit point also has 2 lanes, you can use slip road to go right. By using the second lane you can go right and straight. By using the first lane you can go straight, left, and U-turn. If you use the second lane for merging to go straight, the exit point will also be on the second lane. If you use the first lane for merging, whether you want to go straight, left or U-turn, then the exit point will be on the first lane. How to check your surroundings. While approaching a roundabout, first you have to decide which directions you are going to, then lower your speed accordingly for you to stop any time that is necessary. Check the road markings for confirmations of directions. Remember that on dividing lane solid lines you cannot change lanes. Always check the car in front of you and the incoming cars. Your eyes and head should always be moving fast, like watching a live tennis. If there's so much traffic on the roundabout, remember that you always have to stop after the car in front of you. Many of the new drivers tend to follow the car in front of them when they are merging on the roundabout. Just stop for a while and double check for incoming cars. How to merge and exit safely. Merging and exiting on a roundabout are sometimes a bit confusing, especially for a new driver. To merge on a not busy roundabout are easy because there are no car in front of you and the incoming cars are few, but a busy roundabout are dangerous if you doesn't know the rules and how to perform safely on the roundabout. After determining which exit point you want to go and already choose a correct lane. If you're going right and left, you have to give signal while approaching the roundabout, but if you are going straight, you only have to give signal while exiting on the roundabout. Merging on a busy roundabout is following next in line for your turn to merge, so while looking on the car in front of you, you should also be aware for the incoming cars on the roundabout. If the car in front you just merge, always train your mind to stop first and look if there's also a chance for you to merge. Always be aware for the direction of those incoming cars. Sometimes without giving any signal they will just exit the roundabout and you have to take that chance on the gap they will make. Whenever there's a gap on those incoming cars, you have to take that chance while being aware of your lane, your signal, and those car in front of you, whether it is coming from your side or front of your lane. Giving signal when exiting the roundabout are when you pass the last exit road that you're not going to exit, and your car are aligned with the road island, then that's the time you should give your exit signal, which is right signal if you're on a left-hand drive road, or left if you are in a country with right-hand drive road. While exiting the roundabout, especially if you are on the first lane, remember not to stare on the island if you're going to hit it or not, because what you tend to focus on looking, your car will also tend to go on that direction, and you will surely slow down your speed to avoid hitting it, which is dangerous because most the car exiting on roundabout are speeding up, and the car behind you might hit you. My best advice is just focus on the line between your lane and the second lane, and speed up accordingly. Please comment down below if this video somehow did help you dealing with roundabout. Good luck with your driving and please subscribe.